In this video, I will share with you how to install Java 12 on Mac operating system. Before that, I'm going to show you how to check whether Java has been installed on your machine or not. First, you can open your terminal, click the spotlight search, and type terminal, press enter. Here, you can type Java space dash version, press enter. Since I have installed Java JDK before, I will get this message. Currently, I'm using Java version 11.0.2. To install the latest version of Java, open your browser and type Java Oracle download, and then click the first link. You should be able to see this Oracle website, and then click download. It will open a new page. You have to scroll down. Here you can see several options, either Linux, macOS, and Windows. Because I'm using Mac, so I will choose Mac. The file size is 173 megabytes. To download the Java JDK, you need to accept the license agreement. So you have to click this radio button, and then click the link with the extension .dmg. Okay, click the link. So in my case, as you can see here, the downloading process will take less than 1 minute. Then you go to the download folder and double click the file. You will get this kind of window and just double click the icon. The installation is very simple. Now you can see welcome to the JDK installer, and then click on continue. Now it says installing this software requires 313.5 megabyte of space. If OK, just click on continue. And then click on install. Now you are required to key in your system password. Key in the password and then click on install software. Java 12 is quite big. It will take some time to be installed. The installation may take longer for you maybe. Now the installation was completed successfully. You just close the window. Then you will see the message, do you want to move the JDK installer to the trash? Actually, it's up to you whether to keep or move to trash. In my case, I'm very happy with the installation. I just click on move to trash. Okay, go back to your terminal and type Java-version, or you can press arrow up key to get the previous command, and then press enter. Now you can see the Java version is pointing to Java version 12.0.2. I think that's all. Thank you.